Hey, y'all. It's Jen with Pleasantly Scattered. And I thought we would take a flip through of July since I'm going to be transitioning into a bigger planner. I'll do a quick flip through of this. It's getting a little chunkier because I've added a few things. And this girl has lost some weight because I've taken out to combine with the others. So let's get to July. And I know that it's still got some stuff. I'm going to be taking this over to the big with me so I can finish it up for the last week. There will be a after the pin on the big, which will include some of this stuff. So this can come out because I've handled most of that. So this is where we are for the month. Still very basic, but when I get to the big, it will be decorative. I did post a video of me decorating that. So it's going to be a change, but we're doing it. And excuse the noises coming from downstairs. The hubby is working on the closet in the workshop transitioning to the gym. I hope it's not too loud. But here we have June 29th through the 5th. And I did decorate for July 4th. I usually give one spread to a holiday. And then I'm about holidayed out. But it was very busy that week. There was lots going on. We were meal prepping. We slacked off on our workouts that week. I guess that's also indicative. It was very hot. I was getting lots done. I was getting into my routine of things that I like to do since I'm getting to stay home. Lots of checklists, lots of completions, kid going to work, birthdays. Went to a block party with some family friends of ours. The kids have, my youngest has had the same friend group since like kindergarten, and they are now going into 8th grade and all still hang out together. I love it so much. It's amazing. They're all at different middle schools. Sorry for the noise. They're all at different middle schools. There's 3 different schools, but it is just amazing that they still keep in touch. So this next week, this was a fun spread. So I pulled together a bunch of pictures in Canva, and it gave a very retro vibe, and I absolutely loved it. I tied in some of the scrapbook paper. Actually did some washi along in there. So let's see here. I had a much better workout week. Kid had basketball practice. He started practices here. So he started practices in June, but had to take off because he was representing the United States in the United World Games over in Europe. So he had to take some time off for that, and then came back and went back to practice. So lots of productivity getting done. Kid's orthodontist appointment. We're excited that Top Expander comes off in August. We are so excited about that. I just thought this was a super fun spread. Transitioning rooms. That's when we started the whole process of the new gym. It's been a thing. So yeah, lots of fun stuff there. 13th through the 19th, I felt like I needed some strawberries in my life. So I, again, Canva, have a bunch of strawberries. Just lots of fun with that as well. Did some gratitude along the side. Workouts were good. Practice still. Let's see, anything standing out? Oh, All-Star Game. Let's see. Slept in. And our friend's birthday celebration. Didn't get home till like 3 a.m. And here is this week. There is an after the pen. It should post the day before you see this, so that works out good. It did not get completely done, but yeah, it was fun. This was something different for me. I don't know if I will ever do that again, but I was trying it for the last week in this planner. So let's see, errands, lots of home chores. I did my first live and it never uploaded. I was so upset. It was so much fun though. We had a lot of fun doing that. I may try to pop on and do another one of those. I look rough, so it's a wasted day for makeup if I did actually put it on. So currently it is Sunday. We took a rest day yesterday, so we will not be taking a rest day today. I'm currently filming my flip through, so I'm going to check that off. I filmed my after the pen and combined it. That is a lengthy process, y'all. So yeah, so let's now, this is basically all the same information, but I'll show you what I've done in my mini. Pull that aside. I wanted color. I may need to zoom in a little bit here. Oh, I think we're okay. So I love everything ocean. My husband calls me his real life mermaid. Scuba diving, being out on the boat. I'd rather swim in the ocean than swim in a lake or a pool. So I just thought this was fun. I thought I would bring that in. And then I've got my little dashboard, an envelope if I need to throw something in. This is where I started playing in this spread to see if it would actually work for me, and it does seem to be working. This was my first attempt to decorate it. I didn't like it, but it's there. I was trying to go with a lemon theme. I added a few more things after the fact, and it actually felt a little better. This is my next spread. I liked it better. It's very simple, and I find that the simpler that it is, since it is so small, it helps. And then this is my spread for the end of the month leading into August, and I think it is so pretty. I did take this from my half letter and popped it in. It worked out nicely. This is for extra notes for me to put into my catch-all. A couple of my good paper. I'm so excited to move into the good paper instead of just photocopy paper. This is 32-pound paper. And then I was playing in some spreads, different layouts. I did not get the sizing correct, but I went ahead and decorated it, and I'll use it at some point. I have that one, and all I have to do is just glue the pages together because it is just copy paper. But this one I challenged myself to just use washi tape and mild liners, and it was a lot of fun. It was different. It took a lot of work, but I did it. And then the next section is just paper, and then I did pop in another envelope, and again, coral, love it. And then I go into my monthlies, which are not pretty at all. They're purely functional, but I keep track of everything there. So that is it for this flip through. It is a quick little one. I do plan to do monthly flip throughs for you. Next time it will be my big and my mini, because this just goes in my purse for appointments and such. And I keep track so that I can do after the pens. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you would like to comment on anything that was going on, I would truly appreciate it. I love engaging with you guys in the comments. And if you have not subscribed yet, please definitely hit that subscribe button so that you get more videos like this. And lastly, have a great day.